Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to this video, welcome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, you guys, so you guys can keep watching more videos of mine. So also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified, because most of the time we don't get notified. So on today's video, you guys, I wanted to do an everyday makeup look, you guys. Affordable, and it's perfect for beginners, you guys. So it's beginner friendly. So if you guys want me to create a makeup look that is using lots of bougie products, you know, more on the pricier side, let me know, girl, because I also got you. So before we start, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and let's begin. All right, you guys, finally I get to sit down and relax. Not a new backdrop or background. You guys already know this background. But I wanted to do an everyday perfect makeup look. Also, I'm going to be using a lot of drugstore products, lots of affordable products, you guys. So I'm going to start by hydrating my face. So for that, I'm going to be using the Rose Glow Mist by Pixi, you guys. And it looks like this. This one is brand new, so don't say I don't use it because it's brand new. And it has like some type of oil because it has serums inside, so it has some skincare inside. So I'm gonna start off by using that one first, and it does smell like roses. So I'm gonna start with the eyes, and if you are a beginner, usually we have, tend to have fallout because most of us forget to do this to our brushes. So this is like crucial to do this with your brushes before you apply it on your eye if you already have your face set. I always do my face. I think the face is the one that takes the longest, so I always do my face, and my eyes are really quick. If I do have a fallout, I'll just redo that part again by adding a little bit of concealer or just dusting some powder, depending how bad is the mistake that we did. So for that, I'm gonna be using the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in color Honey. And all I'm doing now is just blending everything, making sure all the redness and imperfections of our lids go away. So if you're a beginner, you really want to get this palette by Pixi, you guys. So it's the Pixi and Promise. You guys know Promise Tang, I want to say Tang, but she's amazing. I love her videos. She created this contouring palette, so you can use this as for your eyeshadows and your highlighter. A highlighter as well, but you can use it on your eyes, and this are your setting powders and to brighten up that area. So this palette, I feel like everyone needs it because it's so convenient, affordable, and you can use it on your eyes and on your face. We're gonna set that concealer that we just applied on our lids. Just use any color, doesn't really matter. And now with a fluffy brush, we're going to grab the lightest shade and apply it at the tip of the brush, as you guys can see, at the tip of the brush. And then we're gonna do this. So can you guys see it? So we're just basically going to apply this on crease in a swiping motion, and then circles. Little circles, like you're mixing your coffee, With a different blending brush, you just want to blend everything, all the harsh lines, and it will just get a little bit lighter, which is okay. We're going for that everyday makeup look. Since I want to make this easy for you guys, I'm not going to do any eyeliner. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab a small brush like this and grab the darkest color in the palette, which is this one. You can wet it too. I'm gonna wet it. So I'm gonna just spray my face brush, my face spray, and just lined my eyes. Just follow your natural lash line. And then right after that, if you guys have eyes like mine, which are more on the droopy side, I love to do this. Just a little wing up, and then from that wing, just bring it down. Now you want to make sure to curl your lashes before applying your mascara. For mascara, you guys, if you guys are looking for a good affordable mascara, there's two that I have. One is by Wet n Wild, which I will put a picture right here. I think it's the one with Bretman Rock. This one is the other one by Essence in Lash Princess. This mascara right here, I love this mascara. So this, and especially the packaging, Essence, come on now, so pretty. That's kind of it for the eyes. I just have to apply some mascara on my bottom lashes, but I have been doing that at the end. So for my face, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the Glass Skin Primer Peach by Milani. It's really refreshing. Super dry, you guys. After being sick, everything was so dry. Like literally inside my nose, inside my throat, my eyelids, my inside of my eyes, so dry, so weird. And I was drinking like crazy, a lot of water and Gatorades, you know. Then I'm going to contour, so I'm not going to be applying any foundation yet. I'm doing a little different. Normally you will apply your foundation next, right? So I'm going to contour. And for contouring, I'm using the Magic Wand by Avon, you guys. This thing is good. Avon has been coming out with so many things. I have like a new collection from them that I cannot wait to show you guys. So I'm just going to apply it right here. You guys apply it wherever you're going to shape your face. There's so many pictures on Google of how to shape your face for your shape, you know? Then I'm going to spray my brush with the spray from Pixi and blend that. This, you want to blend it down. And look at that, I burned myself, you guys. And right here, I'm just patting it, making sure that my brush is still wet. I'm like hitting myself literally. And then bringing this towards my hairline. So we don't want that area to be white, you know? Like there's nothing in there. You blend your nose contouring, you want to make sure you bring it upwards, so it is connected to your eye and it looks more on the natural side. All right, so now it's time for some concealer. So we're going to be using that concealer I showed you guys by Covergirl, and just apply it where I have the most green right here. And this is to elongate our eyes. I'm just going to blend that. Brush that I'm using, it's from it's from Fit Glow. I have been loving applying contour and then your concealer first and then your foundation. All right, you guys, and now for foundation to fix this blotchiness, I am going to be using my favorite foundation, was this one and then the other one in liquid, by Wet n Wild, the Photofocus Stick Foundation. You guys, the stick foundation and the liquid one, which I know that you can find at the dollar store, Family Dollar Store, it's so freaking good. I mean, just go get it. It's so good. Try it. It's like what, $3 at the Family Dollar. It's so freaking good. So I'm gonna grab my brush, wet it. We're wetting everything today, Lord Jesus, except for my freaking throat. It's not wet. So you can go like this, but I'm just going to apply it on my brush just to use less product, you guys. So make sure it's your brush, you know, and then we're just going to pat it all over. Pat it, pat it. For setting powder, I'm going to be using my favorite product when I used to do freelance. I will use this all the time because it's so good, you guys. It's the Airspin Loose Powder in Translucent. That's the one I use, so I'm almost out. I need to get the one from my makeup kit since I'm no longer, you know, doing any makeup. But I'm gonna grab a small brush like this, stipple it on there. You can do circle motions around your T-zone. Grabbing a fluffier brush and grabbing that powder again, I'm gonna do now circle motions to create an airbrush effect all over the face. So now for blush, if you guys want to apply some blush, I know it's really trendy right now. I was going to use the Milani Peach collection, but I really love this blush right here. And this one is from the brand Essence Mosaic Blush, and the name is the Berry Connection. A little bit on the nose. Alright, you guys, so for an everyday lippy, that's going to be your thing, but I'm going to be using the Mega Lash Wet n Wild High Shined in Close Off. They also have matte ones, which is the black packaging. So the white one has a little bit of shine, and the black ones like this are on the matte side. I always apply lip liner. You don't have to add that, but I'm going to be using the one from Wet n Wild, the one of the collection in Passion Session. This one is so pretty, so natural. Can you guys see that? No, maybe not. I only can. Can you guys see that difference? I just did my bottom and this side, and it looks really natural. So it's not like so much, and it's not so dark. It looks like it just, I mean, oh my gosh, it looks so good. Look at that. It looks like it's the lippy, you know? Like, I'm not trying to overdraw it or anything, even though I am. So I'm just going to set my face, and for that I'm going to be using the Milani Peach setting spray. And here you guys have the completed look. I hope you guys love this look. I try my best making it as easy as possible. If you guys want, you guys can skip the whole foundation last routine, because that may be like, wait, what goes first, you know? So just do your foundation, your contour, your concealer. I just love to conceal now first, you know? I mean, contour and then conceal, but I just love this outcome, you guys. So I hope you guys love this look. My hair, let's pretend it's nice and beautiful and curly and fresh. It's like so bad right now, and I will try my best to leave all the information down below, if not on video, so you guys can take screenshots or whatnot when you guys are at the store, like purchasing any products, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please, 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 if you made it to the end, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. Leave me a comment down below what product that I use you own. So that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.